Hi, Julie. This is John. I'm going to run your inventory. I deleted the other ones that were in there. They look like you were just testing. I'm going to run all the E's. I went to your shelf list, pulled the E's out, then removed a bunch of barcodes so they would look like they were missing, as though I really scanned your books. So let's go. Admin, inventory, new inventory, and we'll do it by range, E space AAA to E space ZZZ. That way we cover the entire range of possible three-letter cutters in the call numbers. Location, I'll just use all. We're not doing journals. We're not doing DVDs or VC or Pro or Ref or equipment, just G. I'm going to find the file now in my inventory files, and there it is. Here's your file. Click open, and now let's add it. And we have 2,132 barcodes in the file, and now all we do is click Do Inventory. Let's see what we have. Okay, 14 items are on loan. And again, this isn't real, not real. I didn't really scan, so some of these results are not quite right. Missing, not scanned, 92. Well, I knew there would be some because I took the barcodes out. Let's have a look at these. So right here you see this title, these titles with this call number were not scanned. Again, this is fake, but just to show you. Now what you could do is, if this were a real scanning of your E's, once you're sure they're missing, you could choose Mark Selected is missing and put some here, Mark All is missing, or Print All and have a sheet of this report and check the shelves again, etc., etc., or just have it even if you do mark things as missing, etc. You might want to just print them all just so you see the results. Okay, so that's that one. That's the missing. Let's go back to inventory result. Now, two are on the shelves but marked damaged. Now, this could really be. Oftentimes I see this in inventories. You mark something damaged, then you put it back on the shelf. And this inventory system is just telling you, hey, you marked these damaged, but you shelved them. Now let's click View and Edit. We see call number of the items, call number previous to. So you could go out to the shelves, go to E space CAS, and go to the right side of that, and here would be this book or this book. So you can pull them and unmark them damaged, or you could mark them as available, or mark all as available, print, etc. Okay, let's go back to the inventory result. Okay, 39 are marked lost, but they're on the shelf. Well, that's because I cheated, so to speak. But that could be the case, and then you would click View or Edit, and it'll tell you what was the call number previous to the scan barcode here. So I'd go to EBAR and go to the book to the right of it, if it's on the shelf in order, and see if it's really marked missing or lost. Let's see. Back to the inventory result. 14 are noted as loaned but on the shelf. So I scan these, not really, and they're out on loan. So you can do the same thing, View and Edit, and mark them all in, etc. I didn't have any without call number. I didn't have anything out of place, which is par for the course when you pull it from an exact shelf list. Invalid, maybe a barcode's wrinkled, maybe it has shiny tape and it didn't read well. That would be an invalid. Outside of checked Mark Media, well, I had Mark Media as only books, so I had nothing there. Okay, so I'm going to send you this pseudo inventory to help you out when you start your real inventory. Glad to assist.